Absolute Football, 6-box break number 5, PYT. Here's our list. Don't really need it.
Over here.
Over there, over here. This thing is just busting. It's ready to be opened.
You guys hit boom yet?
Yeah, Max Crosby. Oh man, maybe it's a sign. They're sideways. Where's my dice? Thompson, you want to pick a side? You got, oh, it's right here. Well, I already asked. Thompson, you want to pick or you want me to roll the dice? Thompson has the Texans. If Thompson wants to pick, we'll let him. Otherwise, we can roll the dice like I always do it. I offered it, so I got to, keep my word. $5 for Miles Sanders. Roll. All right. Left side is even. Right side is odd. 3. Right side is odd. So we're going to the right. $5 for Miles Sanders. I'm going to see if someone takes them all. Kind of cares. Yeah, I mean, it is. Some people do, though. Did I post that? Come on now. CJ Stroud gold. Kaboom. Let's do it again. 2 golds in one day. Not here, though. But in general, across the world, 2 golds of Stroud in one day would be nuts.
That would be nuts.
Lamb, Jack, Kamara. DJ Turner, Bengals out of 275. Lenny Moore autograph going out to the Colts. And a Tank Bigsby to 99 to the Jags. I'll do the standards.
Okay.
And if you want to do these are 130s, 140s.
Okay.
Those all going to hundreds.
Okay.
There's not too many thin cards, so I can do those.
What did you say? 130s? And then
Yeah,
what?
these ones. You'll need more than that. Just one.
Okay.
They're all behind you.
Yep.
Green, Mekhi Blackman out of 25 going out to the Vikings. Appreciate you, Rob33. I appreciate you, man. Tannehill auto, I know you're trying to help. But I'd rather just sell them all. You know what I mean? But I will. I'll definitely do that if someone does not buy them all. I'll buy this card on the front if the price is right. Aaron Jones, 8 of 10. Gold color match to the Packers. Tom Waldkirch. Oh, this is nice. Out of 49 to the Falcons. Bijan Robinson RPA. There's like 15 players, Kuna. It's like $210 worth. Kayshawn Booty out of 49. The Bijan could go on the stand, actually. That's a nice one. There we go. Bijan. Josh Allen. Sorry, man. Sorry, Josh Allen. 1 of 50. Tui Peluto. I think we have a redemption. This might be glass. Nope. Good. Rookie Premier Material Auto Spectrum. Will Anderson Jr. going out to the Texans.
Was that Bijan the one you said you'd buy?
No, Aaron Jones.
Oh. Yeah. That
Stafford to 249. Rams.
You want this in just standard one? Or
Put right. There should be a Sharpie somewhere over here. Right Texans on it. Yeah, then it just goes in the standard. You gambling? Someone gonna be awake or drunk at midnight to buy them all? Michael Meyer out of 100. Raiders. Ooh, sick box for the Raiders. Bo Jackson, autograph Raiders. Let's go. Pittenger. Pittenger's crushing it with the Raiders in these breaks. Gibbs out of 199 Groundhogs patch. Get a touchdown on that, I think. That one in there. Another redemption. 2 of 5. Jordan Addison to the Vikings. Not bad there. Yes. Yeah, I don't think you want to see the glass because then it might take away a kaboom. Because the last case we did not have a kaboom. We had the explosive and a glass. All right, we have an orange signature rookie spectrum. Card 150. Ooh, Packers. Lucas Van Ness. Lucas Van Ness to the Packers. Orange. Mike Evans and Baker Mayfield to 199. Dual patch.
I just have a regular sleeve for this one.
Oh, yeah. Hot Street. That pack feels a little thicker than the other ones. Y'all doing all right after the Packers loss? We're doing as good as we can. We're doing better than the 4 other losses that we've had to the Niners in what seems like 4 years. Deuce Vaughn is 75 Cowboys. Eagles Mike Quick auto out of 199. I don't know if I ever pulled a Mike Quick autograph. A-Chain to 199. Dolphins. Dylan Horton at 275. Jack Campbell autograph out of 100 of the Lions. Nick Chubb out of 25. 3-color patch. Going to the Browns. And hey, Jordan Love out of 75. Stargazing. Packers are the Bills of the NFC. Hey, we got Super Bowls though. But as of late, you can say that. But we got Super Bowls. I don't think the Bills have any, do they?
Oh, ever?
Yeah, ever.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think they do. They lost 3 in a row back in the early 90s with Big Jim. Tua out of 100, Dolphins. Chase Brown out of 399, Bengals. Matt Judon to 199, Patriots. Three or four. Bills lost 4 in a row. Oh, it's 4 in a row. See, I wasn't even old enough to like even think then. I think, what was it? 91, 92, 93, 94? The ESPN 30 for 30 on it was like the most I've like ever seen about it, and yeah, that was a long time ago. Felix and Udike Uzama to 100, Chiefs. Hey, Eagles. How about another Mike Quick auto to 35? Tyjae Spears to 99, Titans. Niners 194, so 89 to 93. Yeah, 89 to 93 sounds right. Mapu to 75, Patriots. And for the Packers, the 399, Sean Clifford. This guy could be trade bait now. You never know. Oh, this is cool. Out of 99, championship fabric. Speaking of Super Bowls, Antonio Freeman, Super Bowl champ. That's a cool card. I'd be interested in that one too for the shop. Joey Porter Jr. to 275. Vikings out of 100, Ivan Pace Jr. Didn't he lead your team in tackles? Pace.
I don't even know. That's bad. That's
James
bad.
Conner to 25, Cardinals. After a sophomore slump. No sophomore slump. Come on. Jimmy G to 75. You got the Packers in the next one. Hey, man, you never know. You never know. It's all just random, kind of, like Thompson said earlier. You want that Bart Starr auto? Depends on the price. Depends on what you want for it, I guess, Thompson. To be honest, Bart Starr stuff is kind of hard to move. Everyone likes the new stuff. I had a bunch of Bart Starr stuff when we opened, and I couldn't get it. I couldn't get rid of it here, and I had to take it to Chicago and get rid of it at the National.
That's kind of crazy.
Herbert to 75. Rookie Premier Materials Auto Quad Devon Chain. Dolphins Narleski. Gabe Davis to 99. Robert Woods out of 100, Texans. Check this one out. Booty to 199. And the Magic Man. Speaking of Packer quarterbacks, Don Michkowski. That's pretty sweet. Packers are getting some cool cards, especially if you PC the Packers. Base. Byron Young out of 275. Redemption again. Signature rookie Spectrum. Card 173, it's up there. Tuipulotu. Chargers, I believe.
I think you're right.
Devontae and Garoppolo to 199. Raiders and a Boomer Esiason to 75 for the Bungles. Yes, they were the Bungles back then.
You confident on that, or should I look it up?
He has a card in here somewhere. I pulled him earlier. Yeah, he's somewhere in there.
I'm almost certain.
The Magic Man was in your childhood? Hey, after you hit that Jordan Love kaboom in the next half, Jaho, you'll be able to buy 50 of them. We might be kaboom. I don't know, man. I don't know if that card is thick enough or not. Ugh. Aaron Jones out of 100. Mercury Morris autograph to the Dolphins. Narleski. Raiders to 99, Tyree Wilson. Miles Sanders out of 75. Oh my gosh, there's another redemption. How many redemptions have we had in this? This is insane. Rookie Premier Material Autos. No glass. No glass. Quentin Johnson. He for sure is Chargers. Quentin Johnson.
Yep, he is. I had him in fantasy on my Dynasty League.
He wasn't very good, was he?
He was on my
Mac Jones is 75. Tools of the Trade, Patriots.
rookie reserve, so it didn't matter.
Oh, yeah. He didn't live up to the hype. All right, final pack here. The first half has been pretty weak. There's no kaboom. It was just a regular card. Oh my God, there's another redemption though. You got to be kidding me.
I think that's the fifth one.
Yeah. DJ Turner out of 275. Bengals. What do we got? What do we got? Historic Duels Blue. Jim McMahon and Neil Anderson auto. Is that Bears?
Jim McMahon is. Who's the other one?
Neil Anderson. Bears? Jaguars, ETN, and Kirk to 199. And final card is gold! Jordan Love! Boom!
Yeah, they're both Bears.
Both Bears? Nice. There you go, Ryan. There's some PC. That's a cool card for you. Gold Stargazing Love. The Packers. I said in the next half there's gonna be a gold kaboom. Bears on that one. here we go. Recap. Bears with a Jim McMahon and Neil Anderson. That's a cool one for you, Ryan. Quinn Johnson. I want to see how many redemptions there.
I think it was 5.
Mercury Morris, Dolphins. The Magic Man. Pace out of 100, Vikings. Antonio Freeman to 99. Clifford to 399. Packers did well. Nothing like huge, but they did well. Love the 75. Lucas Van Ness, Packers. The Packers did really well. Addison out of 5. That's a nice one.
Thank you.
Doesn't take a picture of that. Bo Jackson autograph. That's a stand card, man. Bo Jackson, dude, he goes up there.
6.
Mayer out of 100. Yeah, Chargers. Aaron Jones gold to 10. Yeah, Packers did very good. Packers and Vikings. Packers, Vikings, Raiders. Falcons maybe?
There are 6.
Yep. All right, that is it for Absolute number 5. No kaboom, no case hit. I'm going to drop the link to number 6. I'll break number 6 tonight. There's a lot of teams left, but yeah, no case hit. No case hit yet.
Your recording is still going too.
Yeah. All right, that is it. Number 5 is in the books. You heard me. No case hit. Go get them. And number 6.